In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage styles and themes in Zoho Writer. If you've ever spent too much time tweaking fonts and colors to make your document look consistent, styles are your best friend. They capture your formatting choices, like font, size, weight, and color, so you can reuse them instantly. This also ties neatly into your broader theme, helping every page feel cohesive without extra effort. Let's start by creating a new style. Open your document in Zoho Writer. Select the text you want to style. This could be a heading, a subheading, or a body paragraph. Format it exactly the way you want. Adjust the font and size, set the weight to bold or regular, pick your color, and fine-tune spacing or alignment if needed. Once it looks right, go to Format, then Styles. You can also open the Style drop-down if that's more convenient. Choose Save as New Style. Give your style a clear, descriptive name and add a short description so you remember when to use it. Then save it. Your new style is now stored in your style library and ready to reuse across documents. This is a huge time saver and helps keep everything consistent. Next, let's bring a saved style into your current document so it's available for formatting. Go to Format, then Styles, and choose Add from Style Library. Select a style you've saved earlier and click Use. That's it. By adding it from your library, you're making sure your document can follow the same set of branded rules without having to recreate them from scratch. This is especially helpful if you're working on multiple documents or collaborating with others who need to match the same look. A quick tip on naming. Use names that explain both the purpose and the look, something like Heading Level 2, Accent, or Body Text, Compact. The description field is great for clarifying when to use one style versus another, which keeps your library organized and your formatting decisions simple. Think of styles as the building blocks of your document's appearance, while your theme sets the overall tone. When your styles align with your theme's colors and typography, everything feels polished and intentional. It also makes templates more reliable, because the styles carry your formatting rules wherever you work. To recap, format a sample the way you want. Save it as a new style with a clear name and description, and whenever you're ready to use it again, go to Format, Styles, and Add from Style Library, then select and use your saved style. That's how you keep documents consistent, professional, and fast to produce in Zoho Writer.